Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. Now today is all about manifesting 333 magic, and some of you guys already know what I'm talking about. If you're very up on your hip on like synchronicities, signs from angels, spirit guides, things of that nature, you know what I mean already. Now when you see 333 everywhere, obviously I touched on this in a previous video before, it means that you're in perfect alignment with your destiny. Your angels are working with you, you're with your higher self, you know, you're all you know, everything is on point and you really have nothing to worry about. Now so again, when you're seeing 333, you're seeing synchronicities, you're already awakened in your third eye enough to notice these things. Now, in order to get on this level, if you're not already on this level, you have to consciously be aware of signs. Teach yourself how to see signs. And you're going to have to train your eye to see things a different way. Meaning, don't just look at life as this mundane thing of like, oh, you know, you're walking, you're not even oblivious. I mean, you're oblivious to things. You're just automatic, basically. You're just oblivious to things. Buildings are just buildings. Trees are just trees. When you open your third eye and you manifest 333 magic, that means that you have awakened your mind to all these universal truths, and in return the universe unlocks this realm that you didn't see before. And obviously you have to be open to it. You have to be willing to participate in seeing these things. So you have to adjust your vision a little bit. Focus on the little things, meaning when you see dragonflies, frogs, you know, all these things that people will just write off, you know, there's always good omens, there's always signs. You know, don't take advertisement as just advertisement. Don't take music lyrics as just music lyrics. Sometimes these things are catered just to you, that your angels use to get to you. And obviously I touched on before that you can ask your guides specifically to make messages that are designed just for you. So pick a way that you want your angels to talk to you, and they will. Lyrics are a good one for me. Rap music, billboards. Obviously a lot of you guys like the numbers, so when you see the 333, the 1111, 222, 111, things like that, that's going to resonate with you a lot. So really it's all up to you and how you want to manifest 333 magic. But we all have this ability to manifest this magic. And again, like I always say, when you're on this path of, like, you know, seeking truth, looking up third eye, spiritual awakening, you're already there. Like you just haven't realized it yet. So once you realize it and tune in and you're just like, oh shit, you've been looking for yourself all along kind of thing, then you know you're already on that track, or you've already made it to that destination. You're on a 333 path. But yeah, we're all alchemists, and it's just about tapping into that power, and that's what people like me on YouTube are here to do. So stick around my channel, and I hope I can help you guys more. If you guys have more in detailed things, obviously you can hit me up on Instagram, Oshun_the_great. I am also here to answer all your questions about any subject, so don't be afraid to reach out. I have Skype sessions, tarot readings, ebooks, things like that you can check out. Please subscribe, like, share if you fuck with me. Be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.